all Honda, we have 6 laps.
Wait. Meron pala isa.
Hindi ka naman tipo.
Okay, so number 18, we have Anton Cortez, and Bawang Galila.
Diyan ka lang.
We have Ron, number 30, Ron Valinor, and number 5, that is Sanson, JM, number 8, from Guamaras Island, that is Steve Callejo. So, still have one? Meron pa tayo? Meron pa? Okay, so we have to wait para... Okay. Mas masaya pag marami, guys. Ha? Oh. Masaya pag marami. Okay. Okay, Spanish is Villa Corta. Villa Corta. Back to race. Okay. Let's go. It's all red. It's all red. Line up. All Honda. So number 2, the corner break. Ready for the last racing. Okay, tingnan guys. Honda Philippines. Kasi kala ko si Brother Ron.
Brother Mitch, that is Anton Cortez, our owner of the year. From 2005, leading the race.
Yes, it's Anton Cortez. Sorry, partner.
So let's see ano mangyayari because some fast riders are here and our rookie of the year, Anton Cortez, is leading the race. Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin ni Villa Corta para tumalabot kasi I think he's just 16 years old. So batang-bata ito, pero very meticulous. Kita mo, siya lang ang umingin sa dito sa kanya yung nilalagayin natin.
Pagulan ngayon kay Bawang Galila ng Guimaras Island. Okay, nag-breakaway ng konti si Anton Cortez. Followed by Sanson, JM, and Bawang Galila. Turn on the curve. Ayan.
And I think that is Ron Valinor. Valinor is also a veteran rider from Mindanao. So medyo malakas pa ito. Eh, mahihirapan siya para pasukan itong mga Mindanao riders. Anton Cortez is leading the race and very technical.
Brother Bones. Papakita ka Mindanao.
So itong si JM Sanson pala is from Sara, Iloilo, representing Iloilo, and malapit lang siya dito sa ating leader, sa ating rookie of the year rider na si Anton Cortez. Napakaganda na pinapakita ng ating ayun na si Ron! Ronnie Boards! Ron! Pinasukan sa inside. Napakaganda ng
Birthday boy kasi yan.
Kaya pala makikita mo yung sense of urgency kasi birthday boy. Kailangan na maghanda.
Lahat ng...
Yes, 2025, Anton Cortez of Honda Philippines.
Okay, breaking away now. That's Anton Cortez. Number 18 on the Philippines. And followed by James Son. Oh, Pro 1. Ayan na! Ayan na! Hey! Pagpaka na yun!
Magkakaiba ang linya nila dito sa inside double triple sample. Itong si Emilia Corta is going inside double single while the other riders are taking the outside line to take the triple. So kung makikita nyo, mas mabilis talaga yung triple jump. Very good start. Kapag nakuha mo yung magandang start, dapat sa unang lap pa lang ay you are leading the race or you are already up on the battle in front. Kasi pag naiwan ka dito sa race track na ito, napakatigas and very hard. So,
Wala na.
mahirap umabol.
Mahirapan ka talaga, Brother Bolt. Kasi, pag magkamali ka dito, white flag! White flag! Anton Cortez! Honda! Team Honda! Ron Bolivar, Lunasco Racing!
Following a very well race rider. Kumbaga, marami sa karera itong si Anton Cortez pero hindi siya nagpapaiwan. It just means na talagang nagle-level up ang skills ng mga rider natin dito sa Iloilo.
Yes. And, brother, bihira mo. Palagi na sa akin. Right na sa
Layo-layo na sa'yo. Pinis lang.
gusto ko pa maging pagpalikan at maging rider. Doon ka sa Mindanao. Race Mindanao. Okay, company the third, second, and
JM Sanson.
JM and first rider, the checker is Anton Cortez. Thank you. All Honda.
Ito yata ang exciting race natin.
Yes, ito na.
Kasi nandito na tayo sa Pro Open 1 class.
Okay, sayang ang brother boards.